Hey, do you want to go from dad bod to fit bod? Listen up, I'm gonna give you 6 things you can work on that can help you on your fitness journey. First and foremost, focus on your nutrition. An easy way to start is just getting lean sources of protein, cutting back on sugar and processed foods, try not to drink your calories. You wanna talk about really sustainable choices that doesn't have to start off with very strict dieting. Even making small, simple changes can have a big impact. Next is sleep. Everyone knows we need 7 to 9 hours. That's not always easy to do. I struggle with that personally, but I recommend people develop sleep hygiene or sleep patterns to help them get those 7 to 9 restful hours of sleep. Doing simple things like turning your screens off as you're getting ready for bed. Get into a routine where you do something kind of boring that helps you wind down and shut your brain off. Read a book, listen to music, write down in a journal some thoughts for the day, plan for the next day. Simple things like that become habits, help you improve your sleep architecture. And if you do that, the next day your mood will be better, your metabolism will be better, you'll have more energy, and you'll want to exercise more. The next one goes without saying, you have to be consistently exercising, and that includes aerobic as well as anaerobic exercise. So lifting weights and cardio, both are gonna be really important. Try to get at least 3 to 5 sessions a week. They don't have to be 3-hour banger weight training sessions when you start out. Just get yourself there. Be consistent, start burning calories, lift weights, and do cardio. The next thing is schedule your day. Try to be efficient with your time. Use the tools at your disposal. Use the apps, use the calendars. Build in appointments for exercise so it's part of your day. Build in the routine for your sleep. Build in your meal prepping so that you're getting adequate nutrition, getting the food that you need when you need it. All of those things are gonna be really beneficial for you to maintain those fitness goals. If you don't have time to make it to the gym, and let's be honest, as a dad, it's Father's Day. As a dad and someone who has a real job, sometimes responsibilities make it really difficult to add that extra travel, commute time, and getting to the gym. So get some tools at your house. Just get some simple dumbbells, get some resistance bands, get a jump rope. Those simple tools allow you for consistent, effective exercise. And last but certainly not least, incorporate fitness with your family. Not only will you be setting a great example, but you're also building those family bonds. It doesn't have to be complicated. Play sports together, go for a walk, ride bikes. Man, have a dance off in your kitchen. Our family likes to go to the mountains. We ride mountain bikes, we ride dirt bikes, we play in the rivers. Those things are fun and exciting and create memories, and you're burning calories. There you go, 6 really easy things that you can focus on to help you improve your health and wellness and your fitness journey, help you go from a dad bod to a fit bod, eat well, exercise, sleep well, work out at home if you need to, utilize the tools at your disposal, schedule your day so that you don't skip and you create those great habits like meal prepping and exercise, and of course, lastly, involve your family. Happy Father's Day, everybody.